BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis SPX-435. Big difference in price right off the bat.
Huge! The Nexgrill is like $180, and the Weber is almost $1,800 after times a discount. Why the massive difference?
Well, size is a big factor. The Nexgrill is a portable tabletop model with 263 square inches of cooking space. It's meant for camping or small gatherings.
Makes sense. And the Weber?
It's a full-size grill, almost 1,000 square inches of cooking space. It has 4 burners, plus a sear zone and a side burner. Think family feasts, not just burgers for 2.
Okay, that explains some of it. What about the features?
The Nexgrill is pretty basic, but it does have cast iron grates, which is nice for heat retention, and it converts to a griddle. It also has a built-in thermometer. It outputs 13,500 BTUs.
The Weber sounds fancier.
Definitely. It has Weber Connect smart technology, so you get real-time food temperature alerts on your phone. It also has night vision grill lighting, and the propane tank hangs on a scale that sends data to your phone.
Wow, that's a lot. What about materials?
The Nexgrill is cast aluminum with stainless steel handles, so durable but lightweight. The Weber is all stainless steel, heavy-duty, and weighs over 200 pounds.
So Nexgrill is portable and budget-friendly. Weber is large, feature-packed, and premium.
Exactly. The Weber also boasts Weber-crafted grillware compatibility, meaning you can swap out the grates for specialized cooking surfaces like pizza stones or woks. The Nexgrill is more of a simple grill and go.
And what about power?
The specs don't list BTU output for the Weber, but with 4 burners and those extras, it's safe to assume it packs a punch. The Nexgrill has a reasonable 13,500 BTU output for its size.
Okay, makes sense. So if you want a portable grill for occasional use, the Nexgrill is a good option. If you're serious about grilling and want all the bells and whistles and have the cash, the Weber is the way to go.
Yep, pretty much sums it up. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.